So I've got a project that I'm going to do with needs eggshells, and the first thing I've got to do is I'm going to take out this sort of membrane. If I pull about there, you'll see this, there's this sort of membrane on the inside of the egg, and you don't really want to leave that in because that'll sort of, well, it could rot or go mouldy. So we need to take that out. I've done a few of these already, and one of the things I did wrong originally was I put boiling water on my eggshells because I was worried about sort of bacteria and stuff like that. But the membrane was really difficult to get out once it was sort of effectively cooked. So what I recommend you do is, as soon as you've used your eggs, as soon as you possibly can, try and get the membrane out while it's sort of fresh. And then what I'll do when I've done this is then I'll just pour some boiling water over the shells. Look, you see how easy that is to come out? When I boiled it, it sort of came out in little bits and pieces, and it was really fiddly to do, but you can see that one came out practically whole. So all you've got to do is just give a little pull, and that's, maybe you can see the whole thing there. Look at that, all in one go. Now, the other thing I've discovered is that if you can't do it straight away, maybe you're really busy, then just put them in some cold water, because you want to keep the membrane sort of moist. If it dries out, it's also really difficult to get out. It's sort of really faffy, and you have to do little bits at a time. But you can see that these are coming out. These have been just in water overnight because we had eggs yesterday, but I didn't have time yesterday to peel them or to remove the membrane. Now you see, look, that one's just come off in little bits. Sometimes you're really unlucky and it just doesn't want to come off in one go. There, this one for some reason just wants to come off in little bits, but if you just sort of rub, you can kind of roll it and get it out. Now I'm going to break bits off as you go. That's sort of inevitable because they're fairly delicate. But in a way it doesn't really matter because I'm going to crush them anyway when I use them for my project. So there you go, there's another one. So it's actually, once you get it in one bit, it's actually really satisfying. Yeah. It's really nice. Okay, and you just give them a little rub with your fingers, see if you've missed a bit. There you see this little, it's pinging off. Yeah. Good. That's about the last bit. Final one. There. So what I'll do now is I'll boil the kettle, put them in there, and just pour some boiling water over them, and that'll just sort of sterilise them, so that if there is any bacteria on them, then that should make it all safe with boiling water. And then just rinse them off, leave them to dry, and they'll be ready to use on my project.